So yun na nga po, no. The product arrived, pero as you can see yung stand, parang putol siya. Ayun, no. Tapos it's actually also missing an important part that is included in the manual. As you can see, this stand, ayun, wala siya niyan. As in, eto lang talaga. And ito yung monitor, oh. Okay naman yung display niya, gumagana. However, the native resolution is only 1600 by 900. I actually purchased this with the intention of purchasing a 1080p monitor. And as you can see in the back, wala siyang stand. Tsaka ang dumi-dumi niya, I swear. So may nakalagay pa yung okay na parang kinuha lang to kung saan. Wala siya yung star. Tama, dumi-dumi nung oh. Ang dumi talaga, I swear. Sayang ang voucher ko dito. Nakaka-disappoint, promise, I swear. Hindi ko, excited pa naman ako i-receive to. Ito ba, complete disappointment. Ayan. Ang dumi, kulang ng part, damage yung yung stand. Kulang pa nitong part na to. Tapos nagsisinungaling pa na 1080p, 1600 by 900 lang yung resolution niya. Ayan o. Ayan po yung nadedetect ng aking PC. 1600 by 900 recommended resolution. Thank you.